Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about again mentorship program, and as I said in my previous video, I will keep each step separately so anyone can join on any level. For example, you already know about the JIT and Python, you can skip, for example, our second video, or you're already in our discussion channels, so you don't need introduction. So, and in this video I want to talk about how you can ask questions about mentorship, because on daily basis I get a lot of messages through all channels, through Instagram, WhatsApp, and etc. And for mentorship I want to keep everything organized so you can ask your questions and get answer, and we can keep record of all these questions. So for example, you ask some valuable question and other members also can have the same question, so we can keep records of all questions. Of course, we have our discussion channels or discussion groups, like our Telegram group. I will put link in description so you can join and ask your questions here. But I am not always online and I cannot answer all the questions because of time limits. But sometimes we have some interesting questions, and for this I want to use GitHub. So basically, when you join our repository, I will put link again in description. You can go to issues, this separate folder here. For now I will just make it a little bit smaller. And when you have a question related to mentorship, for example, you want to know how you can use dictionary in Python or something similar, or you want to request a new topic for our mentorship program, you can submit new issue. So you just need to click new issue and type your question and give some details. So what you need, for example, you need a new topic for our mentorship program. For example, I need to know about Python generators, and you can say that I tried this, it doesn't work, I would like to know more information on this, and we will have this question registered in our mentorship repository, so I can go through all of them. So for now let's just make a hello world. This issue opened or created to demonstrate how issues will work for Python mentorship program. And then you can assign to me, but it's not necessary. So because when we will have more members, I will add other members also as members to our as a contributors to our repository. But you can leave it like this, and here I will add types for our issues. For example, you can specify help wanted, or I will add one more for topic requests, for example. For now let's make it help wanted. For we don't have projects and we don't have milestones for now, and then submit your question. And by doing this, we will have list of all issues, and later when someone else also need to ask a question, he can go through all of our issues and make, for example, if he has the same question, he can just add +1, so we will know that this question is popular and we need to add this in our mentorship program. I will just repeat to make sure that everyone clearly understand why we need issues. Of course, you can ask in our community groups, but as I said, for now we have 19 members, but in some groups we have over 200 members. And for example, on Instagram, I get on daily basis 50 questions, and sometimes I just missed some questions. They might be interesting, but I just miss them because I don't have enough time to sort all questions and answer them. And by using GitHub, I want to limit our questions first of all, and then make them visible and public to all our members. So when you have question related to mentorship, please submit a new issue and I will sort them and answer them during our mentorship program. And you can also ask for new topic and for some additional explanations through our issues. So submit your issues, and also make sure that you start. So you click this button, because by this I will know our members and also can add you as a contributor to our Python mentorship program. So we can make this repository valuable for all our members. That's it for this video. I will keep this only for questions, and in next video we will start with assignments, because we already have enough information to start with mentorship. So we have introduction, we have our what you need to start video. So you can, if you didn't see it, just check it, because in this video I explain how you can start, what you need, for example Python, JIT, and etc. Now you know how you can ask your questions, and next video will be about how we can start with assignments, and I will give you first assignment for Python. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Bye bye.